If you popped bottles for first-round playoff series wins and month one of baseball, then April champagne showers would be bringing a lot of Mayflowers to New England. Here's everything that happened in Boston sports in the month of April in under a minute. The Red Sox had a historic month.
Amazing. Amazing. Great stuff. Great stuff.
Grand slams being one of many highs.
I didn't hit a grand slam in my career, by the way. So it's not because of me.
And getting no hit by Sean Manaea being pretty much the only low.
Give him credit, man. He threw a wrinkle at us, you know.
An American woman won the Boston Marathon for the first time in 33 years.
I'm thrilled. This is storybook stuff.
The Bruins took years off our lives before beating the Leafs in 7 games.
Feels good to be on the winning side again.
And the Celtics did the same against the Bucks.
It's very satisfying.
The Patriots picked up 2 Georgia Bulldogs in the first round of the draft.
We started off together, I know, since high school.
And after a lot of weird speculation,
Status is doing really great. I've been riding dirt bikes.
we finally know for sure Gronk and Tom Brady will play this season.
Vroom, vroom.